Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. So guys, this is another hair treatment video. As you guys already know, I share a lot of natural hair growth treatment for all hair type, 4CA, 4B, natural hair, relaxed hair, high porosity hair or low porosity hair. Just take your time to go through all my videos and you will definitely find something very helpful to you. So guys, let's just dive straight into the process of this video. Today's video is an ancient African hair growth secret to grow long natural hair with only one ingredient. This treatment helps in circulation of blood, which in return promotes hair growth and prevents hair breakage, hair thinning, alopecia, and also prevents itchy scalp. So guys, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using only one ingredient for this treatment, and it is our popular pawpaw leaves, also known as papaya leaves. This leaf is very common in Africa. You can find it in almost all the streets. I got mine from a nearby farm. Papaya leaves is very beneficial for hair growth as it helps to promote blood circulation on the scalp. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and also antioxidants like carotene, which is very beneficial for hair growth. Just a little amount of papaya leaves help to prevent balding, alopecia, hair thinning, hair breakage, and also scalp issues. So guys, I went ahead to remove the unwanted part of the papaya leaves. I'm only going to be using the leaves and I divided the leaves into two. I'm going to be using the remaining part to make oil and I'm just working with the remaining half. So I will always advise you to wash this leaf with salt to get rid of any dirt. So I'm just going to wash it very well. So after washing the papaya leaves, I added it to my electric pot and I added 700 ml of water and I boiled it for 20 minutes. So guys, after boiling it for 20 minutes, this is what we have. The water is somehow brownish in color. So this is to tell you the papaya leaf has properly infused all the nutrient into the water, which we are going to be using. So guys, I'm just going ahead to strain it to get the water. Please don't go away because I feel like most of you always watch half of the video and you come to the comment section to ask me question I have already answered. Please just make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you other things to do to get the best results out of this treatment. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So guys, I always love to add oil to my hairspray because I have high porosity hair which dry out quickly. So to retain moisture and shine, I added 1 spoon of my clove oil which I made at home. If you want to make this oil, just go through my videos. You will see a video of how to make clove oil. This oil is very beneficial for healthy hair growth. You can add any oil of your choice, but the most important ingredient is the papaya leaf, so you can decide not to use any oil and it's still going to be effective. So guys, for easy application, I went ahead and poured the spray into my spray bottle. Guys, have you subscribed? Please use this moment to click on the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it means a lot to my channel. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. So healthy, darker, thicker and shiny. So I'll just go ahead with the application. Firstly, I went in with water to dampen my hair a little bit. And then I went ahead to spray the papaya juice, starting from my scalp to my ends and also my edges, and making sure I cover every part of my head. So guys, because I have high porosity hair, I also went in with my shea butter herbal mix to give this extra moisture, because we are working with spray and high porosity hair tends to dry out so quickly. The link of how to make this shea butter herbal mix is going to be in the description box. So always make sure you check out my description box, as I always leave out vital information there. So when I was sure my hair was well moisturized, I just put it in a twist, and it is that simple. Can you see how shiny and healthy my hair is looking? I hope you've been trying out my treatment, because I've been getting a lot of compliments recently. Like, people are always admiring my hair. People have been asking, what are you using? And I just refer them to my YouTube channel to come and watch any video and make whatever they want for themselves. So guys, in case you didn't follow the first process, this is for you. Firstly, I went in with water, and I went in with the spray, and lastly I went in with shea butter herbal mix to give it more moisture. So guys, if you're the type that your scalp is always itching, you have dandruff, you really need to focus on your scalp, as this treatment will help you stop any form of scalp infection. So guys, this is a leave-in spray, meaning you're not going to wash this treatment out. This treatment is 100% odorless, like it doesn't have any bad smell and it doesn't leave any stain, so you don't have anything to worry about. All you just have to do is to spray it all over your hair and put your hair in any protective style of your choice, and you're good to go. If you have low porosity hair, you don't have to use the water to dampen your hair. Just go ahead and use the papaya spray all over your hair. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, or you can use a little amount of the shea butter herbal mix. I use this treatment once in a week, as I currently have other treatment I'm using. I have treatment I use daily, the ones I use weekly, and the ones I use monthly. This treatment can last 3 weeks in the fridge. Just make sure you don't add any preservative, as you don't want to interfere with the potency of the treatment. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Follow me on Instagram at naturallata to ask me any natural hair related question, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.